I stopped by the blackberry patch this morning to pick some blackberries, and I'm in the midst of a couple of cicadas that are singing, so I thought I would videotape it so that you could hear it, just in case you've never heard cicadas. I don't know if you've heard that. That was just a woodpecker in the distance. There it goes. It's in the woods. You can tell what variety of woodpecker it is by the speed of their taps when they're tapping on a tree like that. I'm no expert in that, but my hubby could identify which one it is. Over the sound of the cicadas, I just heard another familiar sound. It's Bobby. Hi, buddy. Here's a Bobby cat. Bobby has quite the life. He's got food and water and a bed and a heat lamp in the garage in the wintertime. And he runs out to the barn in the morning and gets canned food with the cats if he's in the mood. And the rest of the time he just spends exploring the farm. He's quite an adventurer, quite a love. Always up for going for a hike. If we go for a hike, he'll trail along with us. He's more dog than cat, actually. Aren't you, buddy? Yeah. And then there's Sammy. He's just too tired to get up. Hi, buddy. Hi, Sam. Hey, Chester. Chester. Buddy. Hey, Annie. Come here. Come here. Hey, sweetie. Oh, Chester has to always worm his way in. Hi, sweet pea. You guys are the smart ones. Look at all this rain. It wasn't raining when I fed the horses, and all of a sudden the clouds open and we have such a cloudburst. It's just pouring. I'm soaking wet. This is crazy. But we need it. Not complaining. Poor Red's getting a shower. He's having hay soup. It's evening, and we've closed up, and I wanted you to hear the sounds of the night. Crickets and Sam panting. And there you have a katydid.